Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your search results in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Vinted app, and here it opens up in the home menu, and after searching for an article, let's say we search for a Nike t-shirt. Here it loads and shows us all kinds of Nike t-shirts. Some of them are vintage, some are brand new. But in the top left corner, there's this filter button. We tap on this, and then we can specify our sorting preferences. So, for example, we want to see the price. We want the price to be ordered from low to high, and we want the size to be in men's M, let's say. And then we can see the results after it loads. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.